Hi everybody. The other day on our Holy Stone Healers page I posted about my I-Ching sticks, and I got a lot of people asking me about them and how do you cast them. People have heard of casting the three coins but not the sticks. So I thought I would show you a video on how to do it, since it's not really a class that you can teach. It's similar to reading an oracle card. After you cast the sticks, you simply look at your hexagram and read that oracle. What I like about the sticks is it takes a long time. It's like a meditation, but it's an active meditation. It's not one where you just have to sit and still yourself and calm your mind. You're actively counting and working through this meditation. So for me, when I first started meditating and was not real good at it, this helped me a lot. The I-Ching has been around forever, and it's similar to tarot. Started as a parlor game, and in the 70s there was this huge resurgence, and people started using it for divination and for asking questions about what might happen. It's based on 64 hexagrams, which were carefully studied, and using math. I-Ching is all about math and numbers, so if you like math and numbers, this is awesome. Using math and numbers and square roots, they found the number 64, and they realized those into experiences that we can have as humans here on Earth. So that's how this oracle is based, pretty much, is on these hexagrams. How do you get them? That's what I'm going to show you. So we have our Yarrow Sticks. There are 50 here. I picked these myself, as you can. You just go find any yarrow and find the ones with the straightest stems that you can. As you can see, mine are all different sizes. I have fat, skinny, but straight was the key word. Strip off all the leaves and the flowers. I cut mine on both ends so that they were even, and dry them. They were quite nubby when I first started using them, but over the years they've gotten quite smooth and they're really nice to touch. The oracle, when we start with all 50 sticks in our left hand, and with our right hand we remove one stick and we place it aside. After that, we're going to take our bundle and we're going to separate it into two piles, one on the right, one on the left. With our right hand, we're going to take a stick out of our right pile and stick it between our finger and ring finger and hold it right there. Then we're going to take our pinky and thumb and pick up the pile on the left. As we pick up the pile, we're always thinking about our question. Always thinking. And before you start, always say a prayer. Put the protective light around yourself and ask your guides to come and help you with this sticks. So you have your pile in your left hand. Now we're going to make this pile smaller by counting in fours. 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks at a time, and we're going to put them in a discard pile. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to keep doing this until we have 4 or less sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, I have 3 sticks left. We're going to take these sticks that are left, and you should put them in between your finger and your middle finger, your ring finger and middle finger. Now we're going to pick up the pile on the right with our finger and thumb again and do the same process. 1, 2, 3, 4, until we have 4 or less sticks. Now, as you can see, I have 1 stick left. Then we put that between those fingers and we sit for a minute and thank the Deo for our sticks. Now, you should have either 5 or 9 sticks. If you don't, try again. I have 5. So this goes in a pile on your left, And we're going to do this all over again with the remaining sticks. Split the pile in half. Take one from the right hand side and put it between your pinky and ring finger. Pick up the left hand pile, count them off by 4s, and make a discard pile. Two, stick them in there, get the right hand pile, and do it again. Four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one, we put it here. This time you'll have it either 4 or 8. I have 4, yay. So we're going to set it down next to the first pile. Once again, we're going to do it one more time with the remaining pile. Again, you should have 4 or 8. I have 4. So now you have 3 piles, each containing a number of sticks. Here's where the fun comes in. In your piles, if there are 8 or 9 sticks in your pile, that's going to add up to a number 2. So I don't have any of those. If you have 4 or 5, that's going to be a number 3. I have 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have all 3s. That's where you find your lines. I'm going to look down here. It says 3 3s is a 9, which equals this line right here. And that is a moving line. Now, if you get 3 2s, it equals 6, you get this line. Both the X and the 0 are moving lines. So this is going to be the first line of my hexagram. So the first line of mine, again, is 3 3s, which would be a 9. So this will be the first line of my hexagram. So there's going to be 6 of these. So my first one, we start at the bottom, is going to look like so. And then I'm going to do 5 more. And the process starts exactly the same for the next 5 lines. We start all our sticks again. Hold them in the left hand, discard one with your right hand, and then start the process of splitting one from the right hand pile, pick up the left, and go by 4s. So that's how you throw your sticks. That's how you get your hexagram. I hope that was a little bit easy because it is a difficult process and it does take a long time. I'm going to finish this hexagram for you because my question today is, how can I help the people watching this today? So thanks a lot. I was going to do a fancy ninja move to get out of here, but when I practiced it, I really hurt myself, so I'm gingerly going to scoot away to turn off the camera. Thanks for watching.